Imagine walking into a property sales office thinking that you're going to make the largest investment of your life. But what if I told you that everything you have been told is just half the story? Today, I'm going to reveal you property secrets so powerful that it could save you lakhs on your next purchase. Let me take you through a real example from Prabha Devi, where we were servicing a buyer for the requirement of 4 BHK for rupees 11 to 12 crore. The developer sales office was quoting rupees 90,000 rupees per square feet, mentioning they did even sold units for 1 lakh per square feet. But this is where the story gets interesting. During our research, we discovered a second seller, the real landowner. Now, you might be wondering that how can a landowner sell apartments in a new project? This is where something like Joint Development Agreement (JDA) comes into play. Think of it like a business partnership between landowner and developer. Instead of selling land for cash upfront, the landowner becomes the partner in the project. The landowner contributes the land and in return receives few units of finished projects as compensation for the land. The brilliant part, they can sell these apartments independently sometimes and may be available at better rates than developer. It's like getting the same product from the different store at a better price. But wait, the story doesn't end here. As we dug deeper, we discovered the third seller, a lender. You see, this project has a history. Before the current developer took over, the project was stuck because the previous developer defaulted. Instead of demanding repayment from the new developer, the lender accepted some apartments in the project as repayment. These units were now offered as an auction mechanism at even better prices than landowner and developer. So, where can you find this data? You can find this information through Zapkey, that tracks real estate transactions across major cities, helping you discover all possible sellers and their pricing. MahaRERA site, real estate regulator for Maharashtra. Check landowner details, financial encumbrances, document section for this information. Here's your takeaway. Next time you're looking at a property, especially in a premium project, don't stop at developer's office. Is there a landowner who received units through JDA? Are there any lender-held units in the project? What are the actual transaction prices in the project? The answers could save you significant money. Visit Zapkey.com to access real transaction data. Turn your property search from guesswork to data-driven decision. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to someone you know who's planning to buy a property. Zapkey, your key to smarter property decisions.